Hello everyone, I'm going to discuss an article, an investigation of differential reinforcement of alternative behavior without extinction. The article was published in the Journal of Applied Behavior Analysis in 2010 by Elizabeth Athens and Timothy Vollmer. The study pertains to my behavior change project because the intervention I'm currently utilizing is differential reinforcement of alternative behavior. So within the study, they manipulated duration, quality, delay, and a combination of each, so that reinforcement would favor the alternative behavior, inappropriate behavior. The authors suggested that extinction is an important part of DRA. However, it's not always possible due to SIB or extremely aggressive behaviors. So the independent variable in this study is the alternative behavior, and the dependent variable is the problem behavior. There were 7 students or individuals that participated in this study that were either diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder and or ADHD. The IOA was measured by clinicians who received training in behavioral observation and who also had previously had a high IOA score with other trained observers. Therefore, this produced a high treatment fidelity whenever the interventions were implemented. So, there were 4 experiments done throughout this study where they manipulated the duration. The first one was where they manipulated the duration, meaning the time that the individual had with a reinforcer after exhibiting the alternative behavior. The second experiment was the quality, which provided access to a high quality reinforcer after the alternative behavior was produced versus a low quality reinforcer after the problem behavior was produced. The third experiment was delay, which allowed immediate access to a preferred reinforcer after the alternative behavior was produced, and then a delayed access to the reinforcer after the problem behavior was produced. And then the fourth and final experiment was a combination of duration, quality, and delay, which delivered immediate longer access to a high quality reinforcer following the alternative behavior. So the results and conclusion from this article and experiments was found that the effectiveness of DRA provided some combination of more immediate, longer duration, or high quality reinforcement of appropriate behaviors relative to the reinforcement for the problem behavior. A limitation that was found through this was that in a clinical setting, it's not always possible to bring a condition or behavior to stability before exposing another behavior. Another limitation was the schedule reinforcement, which involved the delivery of a reinforcer, and it was not always did the students respond immediately after the predetermined length elapsed. So that was just a brief overview of this article, the differential reinforcement of alternative behaviors without extinction. Hope everyone enjoyed.